In this video, I will show you various stream classes that are available in Java. So I have a hierarchy of classes. So usually on the internet, if you search for hierarchy of classes, you will find hierarchy like this. See, this is the diagram showing the hierarchy. Topmost class is base class is object. This is the mother of all Java classes. Then there is the input stream class and there is the output stream class. In whiteboard session, I have explained you only about these classes. And from this, there are a lot of classes inheriting. I will read out byte array input stream, file input stream, filter input stream, object input stream. Like that, there are many input stream classes. And same way from output stream, that is byte array output stream, file output stream, and filter, object output stream, piped output stream. So these are the classes that are inheriting from output stream class. So don't worry, slowly you will get used to with these classes. The next, there are some other set of classes also. I will show them. See, these are reader and writer classes. Similar to input stream, this is like input stream, this is like output stream. And from this, these are the classes that are inheriting, that is buffered reader, character array reader, input stream reader, piped reader. Like there is one more, that is filter reader. From that, there are two more, line number input stream and pushback input stream. And from writer classes, buffered writer, char array writer. So for every class, for every writer class, it is ending with the word writer. Filter writer, piped writer, print writer, and there is string writer class. So I have just shown you the list. Now I will explain about them a little bit. Let us come to input and output stream classes. So first is input stream class. This is having some of the methods that I have shown you on whiteboard. Then this is byte array input stream. So if I break it from here, this is byte array and it is input stream. So the source of data will be byte array. So using this stream, you can read the data from an array of bytes. So the name itself says it's very easy to understand this one. So you can take an array of bytes and from that you can read the data just like you are reading it from a stream. So byte array input stream. Next, file input stream. So I'll break it again. Input stream means it is for reading, right? Then from file input stream. Then filtered input stream. So this is having some extra functionality. So from that, there are different classes inheriting. Let us look at them. Buffered input stream. So just you have to remember buffered. So already I have explained you about buffering. Buffering is a temporary memory area. It's like a temporary array, which is used for connecting source and destination if they have difference in their speed of working. So this is useful for just holding the data for a while. So on an input stream, you can apply buffered input stream. So buffered input stream is like an extra stream used. Then data input stream. So you can read the data in the data types of Java, primitive data types of Java, like integer data, float data. Like scanner, we are reading next int, next float. We are able to read the data like this. So same way, we can use those methods that are available here in this data input stream. Then line number input stream. So this will read the data along with line numbers. Then pushback input stream. Pushback means when you read the data from input stream, data will come out from the input stream into your program. So data will no more be present in the inside input stream. If you want to hold it, then you should put a mark. So pushback means you can put the data back into input stream. If at all you need like this, you can use pushback input stream. Then object input stream. This allow you to write down objects of your own classes or any built-in classes of Java. This is very useful input stream. This is very useful. And one more useful is file. And one more useful is buffered. These are the useful one. I am showing them with arrow. Then piped input stream. This is useful for providing a connection, just like a piping. See, if you have an input stream, right, that is getting the data inside the program, and you have an output stream that you are receiving the data, then you can connect this using pipe. So from input stream, you need input stream, piped input stream, and from output stream, you need piped output stream. So piped input stream can be connected to piped output stream. So these two are related, right? I'm putting a star beside them. So these two are related. The next is sequence input stream. So if you have multiple input streams, like input stream 1, input stream 2, input stream 3, then you can take this sequence input stream and put all of them inside connected to this, so that it will read the data first from input stream 1. When it has finished, it will go to second, and then it will go to third. So you can read the data from multiple input streams, so that you can have sequence of input stream. Then string buffer input stream. So this will read the data from a string. So that's all. I have explained you these classes. This is enough for understanding all other classes. Let me show you. I will remove this marking first. Look at this. First I have byte array input stream, first one. Then also I have byte array output stream. When this is for input, this is for output. So when you have something for input stream, similar thing is there for output stream also. Then file input stream. So file output stream is there. So you know what is file input stream. So I don't have to explain you what does it mean by file output stream. Then filter input stream. So filter output stream. Under that buffered input stream. So buffered output stream. Then data input stream. So on this side you can see data output stream, right? Then there is one more, print stream. This is very useful. This will have all println type of methods like system.out.println that we use. We have these type of methods in print stream. Then object input stream, so object output stream. Then piped, so piped output stream. So that's it. We have all these classes. So if you remember a set of few, then you know there is an output stream also for that. Almost for every input stream, there is an output stream also there. But for some it's not there. So that is not a big thing for remembering them. Now let us go to reader and writer classes. Now these are reader writer classes. This is for character type data, right? Already I have explained you. Those were for byte type of data. So in Java, byte is different and character is different, right? Character takes 2 bytes. And it also supports Unicode. So this is for character type data. Let us go to first class, reader. So instead of input stream, we have a class called reader. So this is same as input stream. Now from input stream, there were many classes like buffered input stream. So we have buffered reader. So instead of input stream, yes, you have to call it as reader. Then character array input stream. So char array reader. Filter input stream. So filter reader. Input stream reader is there. This is an extra class. Pushback input stream is there. So this is coming out from this one. So piped reader is there. So some extra classes are there. Okay. So leave them. Now let us look at this writer class. Writer class. Buffered writer, char array writer, output stream writer, filter writer, piped writer, print writer. This is just like print stream there I have shown you. So it is print writer here, and string writer is there. So that's it. These are the classes. So I have shown you how to remember them. If you remember few of them, then it is easy to remember all of them. So you can spend a little bit time right now. Just try to remember few. So if you remember just input stream classes, that is enough. See these classes, input stream classes, that is enough. So you also know output stream, you also know reader, you also know writer. So these were about the classes. Now I will show you a few more things. See, I have made the list of those same classes here also. As a list I have made it. These are all input stream related classes, and these are output stream classes. And one more thing. See, there is a class called string tokenizer, right? This will tokenize a string. I will show you in the video. Separate video will be there for this one. Then there is a class for random access file. So you can randomly access a file. So a video will be available for this one also. Then these are reader classes. Then writer classes. Now all these classes have some methods, and those methods throw some exceptions. So this is what I wanted to show you, extra thing. That is, there are some exceptions that are possible from here. So IO exception. Most of them throws IO exception, and IO exception is a base class for some of the classes. So like end of file exception, file not found exception, interrupted exception, object stream exception. So like this, there are some exceptions that may be raised by the methods of these classes. So mostly we will group them under IO exception, and exception is the mother class for all exceptions, right? So if you don't want to handle any specific exception while practicing Java program, then you can handle just exception. And you must be familiar with all type of exceptions. So by practice, you will get to remember them. So that's all in this video. I will stop here. So next I have to pick up some important classes and show you the programs and details of those classes. So I will write the program and show you in the coming videos. So that's all in this video.